This is a good one. I've been needing a thermos for quite a while. Mostly all the thermoses that I received there, they're just flimsy, you know, and they don't keep your stuff hot or cold or anything. So when I got this, I said, man, I've got to do a review on this thing. It's called the ShakeSphere hot and cold thermos shaker. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, put it back a little bit. Okay, all right, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now I may have a few scratches on this, but because I've used it, I wanted to use it before I give a review about it. But it's really sturdy. Okay, and it's really a nice thermos. What really impressed me about this is the box that it came in first, and what's inside the box. I mean, I've never seen a thermos come packed with foam like this, you know. And actually, there's a foam casing on the top of the box also, so when it fits in, it's nice and secure. I've never seen that before in a thermos. Okay. And you've got your instructions here, your warranty. But this is just a great product. I'm going to read some stuff to you off of the box here before I go in detail about the thermos itself rather, and just to let you know some more about this thing, because it's really nice. Okay. And it allows you to puree soft fruit in there. You shake it up real good. I don't use it for that. I normally put my smoothies inside of there. That's the main reason I got it, because of my smoothies. Okay, my super smoothies in the morning. But I just want to read this. Let's see. It says, puree soft fruit on the go. No mess. No more dripping flip cap. I'll show you that in a minute. It's really nice. There's no smell. There's no protein or anything gets stuck in the corners on the top of the cap there. And I'm gonna show you that also, how it's sealed real nice. You're saving money. It reduces bacteria. Okay, you definitely don't want any bacteria to get stuck in there and all that stuff breathing around there. You don't notice that. You'll wash it out, but it's still there, and you're drinking that stuff. You don't want to do that. It's not good. See, the capsule shake does the mixing for you if it's a protein shake or any kind of shake you want. Let's see. And that is about it. It says unique capsule style, no mess, easy clean, and purees the soft fruit. And that's it. This is the back of the box. Okay, this is the side. This is the front. This is the other side, and this is the top and the bottom. Okay, very nice box. Okay, now as far as the thermos itself, man, this thing is just really nicely built. This is what it looks like again. Okay, very nice. It's very sturdy. It's steel. Okay, so it won't break on you. Okay, I'm gonna take the top off here and let you guys see a close-up inside of here. Okay, it's lined with some type of liner in here. I don't know if you can see that, all that in there, and that keeps it sealed properly. Okay, and also if you're shaking it up, it won't let anything get out there. Okay, this can come out so you can clean it also. And the top here, I really like the top. You've got a little carrot thingy thing here, and this is the top of it. Okay, it's steel also, got the logo on it, and you can just slide this. Okay, if you can see this, and you can, grab this. and you can pull it off, okay? And you can see the top there, okay? And this, I want to show you this. This is a seal that keeps it from coming out of the top of the cap there, okay? And you can just slide that back on, okay? And there you go. You can see, I'm gonna put it close up here, okay? You can see how that really seals it really nice there. Nothing is going to come out of there. I mean, nothing is going to come out of there. Okay. And this is the thermos itself. You can see on the inside, it's steel. Okay. Keeps everything, keeps your hots hot and your colds cold. Okay. But this is, it's got your measurements on the side too, if you can see that. See if I can bring it up to camera so you can see all your measurements on the side. There's a little water there. Okay. And here's the measurements. I believe it's in milliliters on the other side. Okay. But this is a really, really good thermos. Oh, you've got the measurements on the inside also, if you can see that. Okay. All right. But this is it's a great thermos. I use it every morning, you know, wherever I need to go. I always take my what I mainly use this for is my smoothies. Okay. It keeps it cold. I mean, I can keep this in my car till about maybe, it just keeps it cold all day. And you know how smoothies sometimes they'll get watery, you know. This doesn't let it do that. Okay, it's still a smoothie every time I open it up, and it's still nice and cold. So it's a really, really sturdy thermos.